Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning this 2007 Suzuki Grand Vitara. This thing is a mess, it's super dirty, it's super windy today, so there's not going to be a whole lot of talking and audio. It's all going to be just some music over some filming, but I hope you enjoy the transformation of this Vitara. The inside's pretty bad, the outside's not terrible, but the inside's disgusting. So let's get this thing cleaned up. So I'm not going to do anything crazy. This is not going to be a full detail or how to, just kind of show you the transformation. I'm just going to use a regular hose. I'm not even going to use my power washer on this. I'm not going to shampoo the carpets. We're just going to get it looking good, make it look clean, so that for whoever ends up with this Suzuki, can enjoy it, and when they get it, it's nice and clean. And it looks good for them. Let's get into washing it and making the outside look a little better. Then we're gonna spend a lot of time probably on the inside of this. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I know this isn't necessarily the kind of videos I make. The opportunity just arose, so I decided to do it. Now I will admit, I'm not a professional detailer, and this needs a professional detail because it was nasty. It's not that great. Floor mats still need to get washed and stuff. I should have did that earlier, but I didn't. Needs shampooed, everything in here. Because, yeah, parts of the Headliner might need shampooed too, but I don't have anything to do that. We got it looking as good as we possibly could for now. I hope you enjoyed that or got some satisfaction out of it looking a little bit better. You know, I probably pulled, you know, a pound worth of French fries out of this thing. Absolutely disgusting. Grossest thing ever. And in the glove box, that glove box was full of Arby's sauce. This person loved Arby's. Had to have, because there's Arby's sauce everywhere. I mean, when I say the glove box was full, it was full. I mean, there was no room for anything else, just Arby's sauce. Oh man, I mean, how do you, I don't wanna hate on anyone, but how do you live your life like that? Your vehicle is destroyed and you eat Arby's every day. Yeah, that's not good. It's definitely clean enough now that it doesn't feel like a biohazard. It could be better. There's no excuses for that. You know, it could use a good little buff too. I mean, it's like it's just sat outside or been washed with like well water its whole life, so there's a lot of water spots and like water dripping down. Whatever. Looks good for what I did. I would be outside kind of filming this, but it is super windy. It is very windy today. It's been windy all week. It's been awful. And you know, with the wind, all the dust gets blown back in and back on it. So I kind of feel like I did all that work for nothing. I mean, it wasn't a ton of work, but I feel like it was wasted time. Again, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you think that this needs a professional detail. Sorry, I can't talk. We will have another video next week with this Grand Vitara, and then this Vitara is actually for sale. You know, we'll get it looking better before it's sold. But I had an opportunity to take it. It needed clean, so I cleaned it. Well, why not make a video? And then I'll have another video on it, a lot different kind of video on it next week. And then yeah, this will be up for sale, and I can, when we get to that point, I'll leave the link below in the description and give you all the information and the price and, you know, where you can reach out to purchase this. Now, some of you probably thought that I purchased this Grand Vitara for myself to build, but for what I do, this kind of Vitara is not gonna, it doesn't meet my needs. You know, one, unibody, so, you know, we like rock crawlers and beating things up. This is more of, I'd like to say, an overlander. So no, I didn't purchase this, but it is gonna be for sale. And again, I'll leave those details in the next video. So I'm sorry if you guys thought I was gonna build this, but I'm not. I feel like I'm just rambling now. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.